Hi, Tracy here with BibleJournalingMinistries.com, and I'm super excited to share with you one of the first line art Bibles ever. I found this Bible at the Goodwill for $1.50, I think is what I got it for, maybe $3 at most. And as I was flipping through it, I found that it had a lot of line art drawings, and I thought, well, isn't that clever? This Bible is it's called Today's English Version, which is a thought-for-thought translation. And this Bible was, I believe, was produced in the 70s. So I believe it's from 1978. And I'm a Bible collector, so whenever I see some of the older Bibles, I get kind of excited and I like to see what's inside and mess with them. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. I just think it really just made me smile when I opened it. So it's just a standard Bible, and you can actually get this still on Amazon. I think I saw a couple on there for like $3, $4, $5. It's not really a lot of money, but if you're just kind of interested and want to have something that, you know, quite possibly was one of the first line art Bibles ever created. So, well, today we have all the beautiful journaling Bibles. It looks like the guys from the 70s were a little ahead of their time. I mean, look at this one with Adam and Eve. And then the animals here going into the ark. So I think I'm probably going to color in this. This is probably going to be one of my Bible journals that I go to, because I just think it'd be really fun to color these and then also journal. And you can journal in the margins here. There's some free pages as well that you could journal in, and you can add in tip-ins. And certainly, I don't care about covering the words because I have a lot of Bibles, but if you did care about covering the words, then you would want to stick to just the line art if you purchase this Bible. But it's got some maps in here. And I just want to thumb through so you just see like there is a ton of line art in this Bible, and it really cracked me up, because I thought, I always think that Bible journaling is something that's new and that line art Bibles haven't been around for a while. But I mean, I don't know about you, but this one's been around since 1978. So it's not as new. Bible journaling and coloring in your Bible is probably not as new as we think it is. Now, I'm sure that the people who created this Bible didn't intend for someone to get their coloring crayons or their pencils to it, but who knows, maybe they did. Maybe they were ahead of their time. So I just thought it was fun, and I wanted to share with you that, if you get a chance to pick up one of these Bibles, mine has some rips in it and stuff like that. It's an old Bible, and it smells like an old Bible too, so but if you get a chance, look at how great is that. That's just hilarious. So if you get a chance and you find one of these Bibles and would like to, and especially if you can't, if you're having a hard time getting a line art Bible, but you can find one of these at your Goodwill or can afford to get it off at Amazon for, $3, $4, then do it. I mean, this is really fun, and that's what Bible journaling is about. Bible journaling is about getting in the Word, understanding the Word, reflecting on the Word, hearing God's voice, and then illustrating your faith through your art, which helps you to retain the Word as well. So I hope that this video gave you a chuckle, because it really gave me a chuckle, and I hope that it inspires you to look at some of the old Bibles whenever you're at a thrift store, or maybe in your grandma's house, maybe. Alright, I hope this video was fun. So if it was, give me a thumbs up or leave a comment, and we'll see you soon. Have a great day. Bye.